How can I make money online on Autopilot? In the last 2 years, topics such as financial freedom and making money online were extremely popular on the internet. We all want a way to make passive income so we get the chance to spend more time with our family and enjoy our life. Since I lost my job in 2018, I tried different methods to make money online on Autopilot. Many of us fail at the beginning due to a lack of knowledge and consistency. I can guarantee you that if you put enough effort and use the right strategy, you can start making money online on Autopilot, which will change a lot of things in your life. No worries, you are at the right place as we always share new strategies on how to make money online. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to be notified whenever we release a new video. In today's video, I am sharing with you an Autopilot method that we can use to make money online. Like all strategies on this YouTube channel, this one is completely free and you don't even need a credit card or a financial investment to get started. Everyone can do it and you can make up to $5,000 a month on Autopilot mode. How cool is that? I will also share with you some secret tricks to double up your earnings, so watch the video until the very end to learn everything about this great strategy of making money online on Autopilot. This method will potentially earn you up to $1,000 or even $4,000, which will be deposited directly into your bank account every month. Once you set everything up according to the method, it will operate on a full autopilot mode, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even apply this method from your home as it's mostly passive, so set it and forget it. I want you to go to kickbooster.me. For those of you who have never heard of this website, Kickbooster is one of the first tools made specifically for crowdfunders to manage their affiliate, referral, and influencer network all in one place. You can find a lot of information about this website on the homepage. No worries, guys, this is an international platform, so it will work no matter where you are living. You don't have to set up any VPN as this website is accessible anywhere around the world. Always stick to the big and well-known websites. You don't want to waste your time working on some shady and risky platform. I did that mistake before and wasted a lot of my time and resources. Maybe I will share this story soon. I believe it has many lessons for us to learn from. You can scroll down to learn more about this platform, but we are interested in a specific section, which is the affiliate one. You can access it by clicking on Affiliates under the Users section. You will then be taken to this page where all the magic happens. See, this platform will allow you to sell different digital products. You don't need to create, build, or design anything. You will be paid a commission for every successful sale that comes through your affiliate link. To double up your earnings, you can share your affiliate links through your blog, social media, email, etc., and watch the commissions roll in. Later on, I will show you how you can get tons of free visits from one of my top favorite traffic sources. But wait, how to sign up? And do we need to pay any joining fees? Well, you don't have to spend a single cent. The entire strategy is absolutely free. You just need to follow 4 simple steps and you will be ready to collect your first payment from Kickbooster. Before we go any further, this is Priya. Welcome to our channel where I teach you methods and how to make money online. Feel free to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash the like button. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Let's return to Kickbooster platform. Well, if you scroll a little bit down, you will see the 4 steps that we need to follow to make money on this website. This represents 70% of our strategy. The rest represents the exclusive tricks that we will share with you in a moment. The first thing we need to do is sign up. It only takes less than 2 minutes to complete. Next, pick a product to promote based on our preference and area of interest. This is very important as we all want to promote something that we are familiar with. Otherwise, our success could be limited. Then we will spread the word around and share the link in different places to get high-quality traffic, which I will show you how to do it later on in this video. And the last part is the ultimate goal, which is collecting our hard-earned cash. Let's go through the entire process. To create a new account on this platform, we just need to click on Sign Up at the top of the page. If you are a project manager, which means that you are trying to sell a product on this platform, you can fill up this form. It's not why we are here, so we should scroll a bit down and click here to get to the Affiliate Marketer Sign Up page. Make sure to pick the right form as both look similar. Then, obviously, we need to complete this form and provide the necessary details. Once done, you can click on Submit. That's all. Congratulations, you have finished the first step. We are now on the dashboard page. I'm going to show you a real-life example of what you will be doing with this method in this affiliate program. You can find some details on this page about the platform and how to make money on it. We will straight away hit on the marketplace to find the products that we can promote to earn a commission. This is the marketplace page. There are thousands of products here that we can choose from. You can search by keyword if you are interested in a specific product. Otherwise, you can look at the categories available, including beauty and personal care, health and outdoor items, and even food and technology. Honestly, what I love about this website is that all the products are innovative and have some cool features which makes them easy to sell. Let's promote this trendy all-in-one Apple charger. You can see that the commission is 10%, and you can offer a 10% discount to people who buy it using your affiliate link, which is amazing. I believe the majority of people using Apple products would find this product quite useful. Now we just need to click on Boost this campaign. We will be directed to this page. We need to click on the Get Your Boosted link. Then we can just copy the affiliate link from here. That's all. Let's move on to the following step. If you don't have a large Instagram or Facebook page and you are not good at digital marketing, it's fine. You can promote the product on websites such as Quora. Quora.com is my favorite social platform when it comes to promoting digital products. You can find communities that are interested in Apple products or any product you are promoting. You need then to write a few lines about the product and attach the affiliate link. If the item you are selling is available on Amazon, you can just copy one of the positive rating comments. If you write a highly engaging post, people will consider buying it, and the best part is that you will get free high-quality traffic to your link, which will be there forever. Well, who would say no to an all-in-one Apple charger anyways? Otherwise, you can make a video talking about this product. No worries, you can do that with zero knowledge in video editing, and you don't have to show yourself on camera or record your voice. The video will be 100% made using artificial intelligence. Remember the product we are promoting? Try to find their official website and copy the product description and some high-quality photos. You can make some changes to make it more appealing to your audience. Once done, you can go to Pictory.ai. This platform enables you to create and edit professional quality videos. No technical skills are needed. First, you need to create a free account. You can select the script to video option. Now we just need to paste the product information we copied earlier. The platform will create a high-quality video that we can use to promote our product. The platform includes a free AI voiceover tool if you want to add that to your video. You can edit pretty much everything, including the video clips, images, and text size. Once you are satisfied with the result, download the video and upload it on YouTube. Make sure that the video description says something like how to recharge all of your Apple devices using the same charger. Videos that solve problems get a lot of attention on YouTube. You can do the same job for 10 to 20 products. It is a 100% passive income stream, and the videos will always be there and will get more views with time. That was all for today. Feel free to check out the other videos on this channel if you are looking for more ways to make money online. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our future money-making methods. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.